The WAPTT extension identifies a Windows App Certification Kit test file storing test results from Microsoft's app certification process. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you interpret or resubmit these certification test result files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific WAPTT application fails. More details to follow. WAPTT files are output files generated by the Windows App Certification Kit, containing detailed test results for Windows Store app submissions. They document pass and fail status for each certification test required for Microsoft Store or Enterprise App Deployment approval. WAPTT files are XML-based test result containers generated by WAC during app certification testing. They record test identifiers, execution timestamps, pass or fail results, and detailed error descriptions for each certification requirement evaluated during the test run. The WAPTT extension has a direct link to the Windows App Certification Kit application by Microsoft Corporation. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows displays the code, but proper handling requires a trusted scripting environment. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the WAPTT file and hit Open With. Test Windows App Certification Kit if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your WAPTT file will not open, do not worry. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, writing test results. Open the WAPTT file in a text or XML editor to review test results. Alternatively, load the file back into the Windows App Certification Kit using File, then Open Results, to view results in the formatted WAC interface with pass and fail indicators. Next, addressing failed tests. Review each failed test entry in the WAPTT file for error codes and descriptions. Consult Microsoft's Windows App Certification Kit documentation on learnmicrosoft.com for remediation guidance specific to each failed test category and required code changes. Finally, rerunning certification. After addressing all identified issues in your application code, rerun the Windows App Certification Kit against your updated application package. Generate a new WAPTT results file to confirm all tests now pass before submitting to the Microsoft Store. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.